Because of COVID-19, world leaders will not gather in New York to attend the annual sessions of the UN General Assembly this year. Between China and the United States, rising tensions. In Pakistan, the federal government on Thursday announced a 3-day holidays on Eid al-Azha. In Afghanistan, airstrikes by Afghan forces in Herat Province have killed 45 people. China has launched its first rover missions to Mars. Nuclear Security Index 2020 ranks Pakistan most improved country for security measures.